If you have been running Facebook lead form ads with GoHighLevel, or at least planning to, I'm going to show you in this video something that you simply cannot afford to miss. So this morning I got an email. I actually got a bunch of emails. If I show you what the email is looking like, this is what it looks like. So your Facebook connection has expired. Those who run Facebook lead form ads with GoHighLevel, they know that you have to connect your Facebook page with GoHighLevel in order for the leads to come in. Upon the lead form submissions, the leads will be entering GoHighLevel. Since I've received this email, that means that if I'm running any lead form ads, the leads will stop coming in because the connection has expired. Now, this happens because of a lot of things. If you are the one connected your Facebook page with GoHighLevel and your access level to that page has changed, this could happen. Meta's internal architecture changes could also cause this. GoHighLevel's internal updates could also cause this. So the most important thing is not why it caused, but how to prevent this as soon as possible. Once this happens, once the connection expires, the leads will again stop coming in. So we have to connect it as soon as possible. So we will go back to our high level. I'm going to show you how to reconnect this. It's very simple. We're going to go to the sub account where the Facebook integration was, and it's disconnected now. We'll go to integrations from settings. So go to settings and go to integrations. And here we will see that it's probably saying fix issue, right? So we will first disconnect it. Disconnect the Facebook connection, and then we will hit connect. Now it will take us to a place where we may need to log in to our Facebook, like it's asking me now. Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you my school community where if you join, you'll get to ask me questions about issues that you're facing on GoHighLevel, automation, ads, AI, vibe coding, any of that stuff. If I show you the classroom, it's packed with courses on Google Ads, Meta Ads, GoHighLevel, agency. It has resources like prompts, SOPs, onboarding documents. We have courses on Claude Code, vibe coding, AI Studio, and all that stuff. Also, these courses are updated on a regular basis. I check the recent trends all the time and update any courses if necessary. Moving on to the calendars area, we have a couple of live calls every week. First one is on Tuesdays. This is a weekly Q&A where you can join live on Zoom and ask me questions about any issues you're facing directly. The other one is the weekly coaching session. We are covering specific topics every week where you get to join live and ask me questions while I'm covering that topic. With that said, if you're looking for a community where you get constant support for your agency or your business or your marketing profession, depending on which field you're in, this is the community you're looking for. So once you join, we'll speak soon. And now let's get back to the video. And then once logged in, it will ask me what page I want to connect. I may have access to more than one pages, like me over here. I'll just connect the page, connect and continue, and that's it. And then I'll just go back to configure field form mapping. Now, if I'm running lead form ads, I'll have to go ahead and map those fields one more time. So for example, this one, this is already connected. So what type of business do you own? I'll just connect it with one of my custom fields. And once done, I will just hit OK. So this form will be mapped, and then it will be ready to bring leads one more time. So every time you get such an email, you have to be very careful and you have to fix it as soon as possible because you're spending money every second on Facebook. You don't want to waste that. So the leads, if they're not entering the CRM, probably they're not receiving any automations. You are not receiving any notifications for the new lead. You must always look out for emails like this. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic, and I will see you in the next one.